My name is Edward Jacob Kikmeno. I'm a double graduate of the University of Brighton. Finished my MA in Communication Studies and did a higher national certificate in multimedia. And my product is Adapt Computer. IT Skills for Rural Kenya is rolling out a product called Adapt a Computer. This is a product that gives corporate companies, businesses or institutions the chance to donate their computers, their old computers, to a good cause in Africa. The donor is benefiting from contributing towards environmental concern. About 1.8 million tons of IT equipment ends up in UK landfills. In Africa, the benefit goes directly to people who never have a computer in the next 10 years. We're giving them the equipment that's going to change the way they interact with the rest of the world.